Welcome to my channel. Today I am rating my lip balms from 1 to 6 and also using the worst lip balm to make something best out of it. So make sure you watch till the end. The Eva lip balm, it doesn't do anything to my lips and I just hate its fragrance. So it's at number 6. Number 5 is the Baby Lips lip balm. It feels like a creamy lipstick, not like a lip balm. So I personally don't like this, but it has SPF so you can give it a try. Winterflush lip balm is okay lip balm for me. It hydrates your lips and provides a tint of color. The Nivea lip balm is amazing, but strawberry version is amazing, not the cherry shine version. So you can give it a try to the strawberry version of it. Forever lip balm, you should give it a try. It's the best lip balm I've ever used. It hydrates your lips and it's really effective. And here comes my best lip balm. It's really affordable and very moisturizing. Now I am doing a DIY using the Eva lip balm, which I hate. You can also use Vaseline in place of it, or the lip balm you just hate using. The ingredient of this DIY are listed down in the description box below. Now I am boiling rose petals over gas stove till the time they turn white, and we are extracting rose water or the color out of the rose petals. Next we have to make the lip gloss. Now I am adding my Eva lip balm, which I don't like. You can also add Vaseline or the lip balm which you don't like. I'm squeezing the complete product so that I can make good amount of lip gloss. Now next I will add sweet almond oil. You can add more or less according to your choice. Then we will add vitamin E capsules. You should add at least two of them, so that with regular use you may lighten your lips if you have pigmented lips, and also it will moisturize your lips. Next now we are adding peppermint essential oil. You cannot skip this step because this is the ingredient which will make your lips plumper with regular use, and also it has various benefits. You can check this out on my channel. I have a separate video on that, and it will provide an instant cooling effect on your lips. Now we are adding the rose water which we made and all the pigment. We have to squeeze these petals so that we get entire pigment in our lip gloss. We have to mix this very properly, although it will not mix because rose water and gel will not mix, so we will take out only the jelly part and discard the remaining water. You can also add food coloring of your choice if you want more color in this lip gloss. Personally I don't like much color in my lip gloss, so I have kept it kind of transparent, but you can totally add the red food coloring. This completes our video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you find this video useful, please like and also share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I've inserted a swatch, kindly see that. Thanks a lot for watching.